Oh. What are they doing, buddy? They're eating? The big one's gonna come and get you. See him? He's looking at you.
Looking at me?
Let's feed him Zenny toes. He wants to eat you.
He wants to eat me.
Let me get that plastic. Oh, there's a couple pieces. You want to dump them in? All right. They liked it.
We are feeding the fishes.
Oh, watch out. Let her feed the fish too. Let her feed too. We can watch them eat though. Watch. Watch them jump.
Watch them jump.
Ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
There they go.
You like the fishies? Was that fun, buddy?
Yeah. Let's feed them. Let's go. Dad, they're going. Let's go.
Oh, they're all out. No more fish food. No more fish food.
No.
Yep. We'll have to come back soon, okay? Hey Zen, can you throw this away in the garbage can? Right there?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. Ready? There you go. Thanks, bud.
Let's do this.
Oh, I don't have any coins. So maybe we'll bring coins next time, okay?
Let me... one bit.
Hmm?
Let me do this one. Let me do this.
Let's go ring the big bell. Let's go run this way. This way.
Hey, let's run this back. Back.
It's the frog. Careful, bud. Here it goes. Look at the frog. Look at it, and it's the black swan. See the swan swimming in the water?
Okay. It's in.
Yep.
Yeah. Let me throw rocks.
Oh, we don't throw rocks at the swan. It wouldn't be very nice, would it?
Rocks.
It wouldn't
The
be very
water.
nice. At the water? No, this isn't the kind of place where we do that. Okay, let's go ring the big bell.